Okay, again, this is Gordon Day with Team Day in Nature Trail, looking at a better than new home. You can see the stucco exterior along with the brick. Gives it a great drive-by curb appeal. This is a single family home built in 2013. Has a courtyard out here. We'll go take a quick peek at that. House is about 2,700 square feet. A little less. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, like I said. The 4th bedroom is right there. You can see it also has its own gated entryway there. Also access to the courtyard. We'll go through that in a minute. The 4th bedroom is detached with a full bath, refrigerator, coffee, granite nook, and Lenox heat AC unit independent of the main house. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, as we walk in the house, you can see the nice hardwood floors. Beautiful brick archway into the great room. Dining room over to the left with access out to the courtyard. Raised tray ceilings in the dining room, the master, and the breakfast nook. Let's take a quick peek at this courtyard. There is a fireplace out there, which is a wonderful feature, and it also has a covered part of the patio here so that you can enjoy it year-round, even if it's inclement weather. This is another access to the courtyard from the master, and you can see all the detailed brickwork out here. It's a ventless gas remote fireplace, so it's pretty cool. Let's take a quick peek in the 4th bedroom. You can see the custom shutters. They're on all the windows throughout the house. There's the bathroom and full bath. Custom shutters on the windows. Ceiling fan. Does have a small fridge. Granite countertops. Okay, let's take a quick peek over into the garage we talked about. Again, you can see over here in the ceiling, they do have vents so that you can heat and cool this garage if you want to. The ceiling does have the reinforced attic also, so you can store additional storage up above there. Okay, you can see the textured floor. This is throughout the entryway through the front door. Really nice, beautiful look. Okay, let's go back through the dining room, take another look inside. Hardwood floors. We'll go into the master. You see the ceiling, nice hopped up tray in there. Hardwood floors in the master. You have the custom shutters on the doors going out into the courtyard and on the bedroom windows. Gorgeous master bathroom. Separate shower, tub, granite countertops, of course. Okay, let's keep moving through the house. As you go back out, you can see the dining room. The brick archway just is an eye catcher. You definitely gonna love that. Your friends, family, as they come over, will always think that's magnificent. Okay, granite countertops. You have the big, large farm sink. Upgraded kitchen appliances, Kenmore Elite. They have the built-in gas range. The granite countertops very thick. They're not the thin granite in a lot of homes that you might find. You have backsplash is granite also. Matches the countertops. Very nice. Built-in trash bin and soft closing drawers. Under cabinet lighting. So just a gorgeous open kitchen to the breakfast nook. Covered back porch, which is all screened in. And the great room, which you can see the built-in bookshelves, custom fireplace, ceiling fan. Again, it has hardwood floors over there too. Lots of windows make this a light and bright home. Take a quick peek in the covered porch. Great place to come out and just relax in your backyard. Sprinkler systems. This is just one of those homes that you'll love to own. Never gonna want to sell it. Okay, we're almost through. Oh, in the back covered porch, and in the back, there's also a stub out for gas grill. You can see over here, tile floors, bedrooms, hardwood. Custom shutters again in the other bedrooms. 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. You have the detached 4th bedroom, making with the master 4 bedrooms. Granite countertops, again full bath. This is a great home, folks. If you'd like to set a time to see it, it's not on the internet. You'll just have to give me a call. I would love to show this house to you and let you see how wonderful this is. Call me 850-308-1114. We can set a time to come in and view this house. You won't find it on the internet, or you can text VIP buyer and I will send you more information on this house. Sorry this is a long video, but this is a very nice house. I'll try to break it up into several videos for you, but give me a call. It will not last. These are going fast in Nature Trail. Again, you can see it at 308-1114. Send a text to VIP buyer.